The Segya-Wantavu and Vitidamunai wind farms are two legally separate wind farms built together by Segya-Wantavu Wind Power and Vitidamunai Wind Power, on the southeast shore of the Puttalam Lagoon, in Puttalam, Sri Lanka. The Segya-Wantavu wind farm utilizes 13 800 kW Gamesa AE59 wind turbines, while the Vitidamunai wind farm utilizes 12 wind turbines also of the same model, thus totaling the installed capacity to 9.6 megawatts and 10.4 megawatts respectively. The wind farm is approximately 3.2 kilometers (2.0 miles) in length, and is diagonal from northwest to southeast, with the mainland on the northeast, the Puttalam Lagoon on the southwest. The 12 northern turbines belong to Vitidamunai Wind Farm, while the 13 southern turbines belong to Segya-Wantavu. The wind farms cost $40 million to construct. The transportation of wind turbines from the Colombo harbor to the wind farm site was carried out by Agility Logistics in late 2009. Power lines and telephone poles had to be permanently raised to 19 feet (5.8 meters) in order to accommodate the transportation of large turbine parts from the harbor to the construction site. The erection of each turbine required 3 cranes, a 230 metric ton lattice crane with a 110 meters (361 feet) boom, a 60 metric ton crane, and a 10 metric ton crane, all of which were imported. The wind farms together produces 52.56 GWh of electricity annually. A central control station, 2 indoor switch yards of 10 megawatts each, 1 kV/33 kV transformers, and an administration building has been built in the Malipuram village to support the operations of the wind farm.